Greetings and welcome to this short video that will demonstrate the newest features in Hector's online asset management application. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the new features around assets within our November release. So what you need to know is that in the settings section under assets, we've added a section that will allow you to create components automatically for kits. So what does that mean, especially to those who don't necessarily use kits or haven't been using them within the application, but are curious to know what kits are about? So remember that kits are bundles of equipment that contain equipment inside them. So you could easily have a briefcase that contains other equipment, or any kind of carrying case where you loan out equipment that comes in a bundle set to you. So if we take a look, for example, at our audio-visual kits, we'll see that we have two parts set up. And within these parts, we can go out. Let's take a look at our camera, tripod, and microphone kit. We can see that we have components within this kit. What does that mean? That means that within this kit, we have a camera, we have a tripod, and we have a microphone. So whenever we lend out or assign this asset to a user, it's going to come with these three components. So where does the new feature automatic creation of components come in? When you create assets from this part, you'll see that we've automatically populated and created three components for you. So we have the Sony, we have the camera, we have the tripod. We've created these components for you. If you turn off that option that we saw earlier, this component screen is going to be empty. You will need to manually assign from your existing assets within the environment to your kit. So for some of you, you're going to want to create components automatically. Others are going to want to build their components based on the inventory that's already in your environment. So that's what I wanted to show you with regards to automatic creation of components for kits. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel if you want more content. And looking forward to seeing you guys in the future. And have a great day. Talk to you guys later.